I said to you, I say, here what you do. Go on a one hotel and lock up in a hotel and say, you're there in Canada. Just dress up like you cool. Remember you live in Florida and you know Florida hat. So apparently, Camille gone move out, go take big cocky. You get it? She's take wood too. She go move in on the boy part we have the studio and every day she come and play live my take wood. And notice inevitably that one like him a Prettiidon that much in come out as pure ling. I never saw so much ling in my blood clot life. The more me see the ling, me start to say, you know, say, man, well, fuck him, my body man, because therefore I bet him did stay with Prettiidon, but now you come with ling, it transsexuagate him. But big up Santrix, I mean, no problem with the Santrix fish. Listen to me, listen to me. So, who remember me a going a secret? Who remember when she hit up in one studio and you see her at the yard every minute and you see her around one man and the man a cook game and he say, yo, no, you cook? One man and I lie, a man yard. That time there was no Camille. No, Camille come back because she I made like Queenie. You have to know that. Camille come back now, there comes. Who's gonna save the planet? rtboss has just saved Gotham City. Dirty man auntie, $750 I give her, but it's not $750 for do nothing. Her story is I want $750 when it come up to that. No, not tell a lie on her. I think it's supposed to 5 bills, so me only end 5 bills me say me that guy, but me end up getting $750. So me stay, me give money big. But yo, money doing, you know, though. He full of style too, you see. Lord, they rob me, boy. Lord, Jesus, that's why they know me I that now, because they know if you rob me. You know, say, they look money down, you know. Come here, forget Camille, look money, you know. Archie, me want to talk to you, you know. But you know, I'm afraid of your mouth. Me say, well, me not chat too much, you know. It depends if you come for me and you say nothing bad, me now will keep nothing. So if you don't come for me, you don't say nothing. Nobody tell me nothing. So I guess he decided at that time, he said, all right then, listen. Apparently he never knows that one day we're going to come for each other, but we did warn him. Hear him now. You know, say, Camille, but you know me a comedian too. You know if you love me now, I see why people love me now, you know. So Camille breed, you know. Yeah, for you. Yo, idea for you. Don't tell me that guy is in there. He come like the joke when him turn to blood clot. He like the joke become reality because that makes you come. She excited, like when we just say it was just a joke, but it was not a joke to blood clot. It was like, whoa. Yeah, but it was like a joke. And she had reason with me and so forth and and you know me go take back my wife, you know, come I love my wife did not she did it with me and you know, and you know one thing dog, my wife not talk, you know. My wife not talk, dog. She not talk. She not say no. I say alright, cool, alright, do alright, baby, that's what the belly, do what you do, alright, good. So this now. From this everything changed in the relationship where now, the way all them used to live, not there again, because I think the whole, she take big dick, fuck out her whole, every day it has stressed she. But listen what I want to know now. When I look at Camille and I look at Prettiidon, I don't see where Camille are for Prettiidon, you know, or Prettiidon are for Camille, you know. Because in everywhere where I look on this whole situation with Camille, you know, I realize that Camille have a mental order, you know. Camille have a mental sickness. Camille have something. There's no blood clot. Spencer Smart, you got to take up that. When you're looking at Camille, you can see that innocent mental issue. You know, look on the girl, she just calm and just look mental issue. Yes. For true, she see clear. Because somebody in them right blood clot man wouldn't take up this. One thing I can say with her, she make wife look good, name-wise. You know when you want to say you have a wife and make people feel like you're smarty? My wife. That's the only best thing I see out of the marriage. To just have a title to say my wife, because that's the only thing look good for you when you say my wife. And I feel like when you say it to you, feel like you're smart and you feel like you win something, because that's the only thing when it makes sense in your relationship is when you use the word my wife. That's the only thing where it never fits you, but you just look good for you. Listen, man. Listen to you about the immigration now. Prettiidon full. So Prettiidon now. Married. Put in papers. Put in papers. Lesbian marriage. After I put in the papers, me send money give immigration. And get work permit. I said to you, say, here what you do. Go on a one hotel and lock up in a hotel and say you're there in Canada. Just dress up like you cool. Remember you live in Florida and you know Florida hat. Da da dee, da da da, da da listen, somebody send a pastor and get rid of RT blood clot. Today is a blessed day. We don't go for the pastor man and run where the Wobia man to rat. What is going on? Yes. So I said, go put on a clothes and dress like it cold and lock up in the hotel. When Mama come live and tell me that Canada, and the people them a look through window and no see no way. Mama have a scarf to blood clot. Don't me want to know. Then I saw in the hotel room cold there. I guess Canada cold bad. Canada. Then you want to diss me. I 2 dopey me I make today, no. Only 2. Me don't want no more dopey today. Only 2 dopey me I make today. Then them I make, you know, the question now. When Mama send her Canada and he come out in a Canada suit, you know say to yourself, you're too cold, Mama. You're too cold. Tell me when I told my lad. No go no blood clot. Wait, no papers. Illegal no blood clot. No status. What we say? No status. No status of blood clot. Me have status. No status. And every blood that day, I put people in a book. Immigration, I write the name in a book. Every day I put people in a book. Immigration, I put him in a book. She want pen and paper in her book for fear name so she can't travel. Then my next thing, me forgot now. So me do the birthday, me send money. Then the mother no. The mother not do me nothing but the mama beggy. Bumbo clad. Mother not do me nothing beggy. Why, let me tell you, teacher. Prettiidon, I'm not gonna tell a lie. Prettiidon, you not really beg, you know. You just run off your mouth. Lord God, I can't stand the mama. Every minute bill juice something come up. Lord, if I can show you some blood clot receipt with me and Vernica. Also, did I talk his name good? Because I mix up bad, you know, but me not tell lie. Did I call the name good? Tell me if I call the name good, you know. Venice. So some sitting Vernica, V, me know a V, because I see the V, I see the V right now. But the thing there, is that a Venice, Venica, Laverne. Tom blood. See what me I try to say. Don't remember though, but me go in and cash up. Me say me can. The phone have the cash up. me see. Alright, my phone have a catch up. It have a catch up, but that's I'm putting numbers and sataras right now. Alright. Uno, two, like, listen to me. What again if you talk about now? Let me tell you this, people. You see Prettiidon? Write down this. Let me tell you this. Write down this. If you want to cram Prettiidon, just say, where my name again? Where my name again? Where my name again? You have to, let me tell you, you have to say it 3 times. You have to say, Camille don't want you. Camille want a big hood. Camille dash her belly. In top war with you. You know see as me draw the Camille file. My wife in the book. My wife. You know, I mean, make the dirty people them a call your name. And you know my wife. You know, you never forget none of this, my babes. But, you know, through the work what I do, I'm call up him name, bitch, RT just cuss you. What the fuck you, where you apologize for Camille for? RT do over TikTok, I bring you down. RT I class you. So why Camille name in the book? Why you come out the next day, apologize to Camille and RT a slap and a lick you? No, because guess what? Camille never knows that you tell me about the breeding issue. Camille just a find out say my money help the struggle. So analyze the story now, man. Analyze the story now, man. So that is why she have to do a Camille apologize issue. Me lick her big man. Me's a pussy hole cause she trouble me, man. Me's a pussy hole that's up because she trouble me, man. So that is what trouble up this. This is what trouble up the me left. The war. You see what going on there, yeah? With Camille, the mother, whatever I want to say, I go on I say when she come out and talk, that's why she shouldn't keep her blood clot trash looking ass. It's because me come out, lick off Camille head to blood clot. So me just come cause problem. That is why she that talk to me and Miss Blink to come fix it. She never has ever fixed the cussing part. She want me to fix the Camille part. We never listen to thing. So we attack, we are plan and everything. But the voice note and everything is the Camille part we fix to prove. Like she said, we are born me, you know. You want to talk about my wife, dog. IT said about my wife and Blink said, me know. And she said, wait, and I said, but me say, well, we did a course and you know me I got talk things where go so whatever me have received. Hey, what a early morning church service. Now, I wonder how much I want to get baptized. Because me could never dare say preach, I don't know, believe me. Do I have anybody where want to go with any water? I will have no water already, you know. But anybody saved by the story? Anybody saved by the story? Because from the day I baptized. Do I get anybody? Do I get anybody? Eh? You want to take this in joke, you know? Yeah, but everybody knows that social media is about cause excitement and so forth. You know, people want to prove a point to see where it's all about negativity. No positivity no make sense. And me know the assignment of the negativity. Me not gonna make them beat me because through me I deal with spirituality. Me already in the social media mix up with everybody, so me not can't stay quiet.